Shipbuilders, as we close out 2024, I want to thank you for your commitment to Newport News Shipbuilding. It's been a busy and challenging year, and it can be too easy to overlook our great accomplishments. But wow, what a year it's been. Over the last 12 months, we delivered New Jersey and redelivered Montana to the Navy. We launched Massachusetts and christened Arkansas, and we delivered the first Columbia-class stern unit. In our aircraft carrier programs, we completed dry dock work on USS John C. Stennis and made a splash with deadload testing of EMALs on John F. Kennedy. We transferred CVN-80 Enterprise to the west end of Dry Dock 12 so assembly work can begin on Doris Miller CVN-81 in the east end early next year. This sets us up for a historic first with 2 Ford-class aircraft carriers under construction in the dry dock at the same time. Beyond our gates in the region, we completed work at the Kesselring site in New York, and at year's end, we acquired a new facility in Charleston, South Carolina, to expand our manufacturing capacity. Although it's been an extremely busy year for us, our shipbuilders continue to answer the call to support our community. We donated 858 units of blood to the American Red Cross, raised $1.4 million for the United Way, donated 90,000 meals to the Virginia Peninsula Food Bank, 34,000 school supplies, and raised $43,000 for the Heart Walk. Every time I meet with community leaders, they thank me for your time and generous spirit. All of these achievements in our community, at our shipyard, and beyond are only possible because of you. I hope you will take time over the holidays to reflect on the impact you are making at Newport News Shipbuilding and HII, and in our community and our nation. As you know, I will be retiring as president of Newport News Shipbuilding at the end of this year. It has been my absolute honor and greatest privilege to serve as your president. As I reflect on my career, without a doubt, I will most miss the extraordinary people who make Newport News Shipbuilding such a special place to work. Thank you for believing in the dignity of hard work, craftsmanship, and the purpose of our mission. I remain confident in you and will transition into retirement knowing you will lead on to continued greatness under the strong and experienced leadership of Carrie Wilkinson. Thank you for all that you do. Have a safe and happy holiday season.